Hey guys, welcome to Gen Technology. So today is software tutorial Thursday. So I will be teaching you how to use Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is similar to Excel, but by Google. Yeah. So okay. So today I'm going to teach you how to insert a bar chart or maybe a line graph into a Google Sheet. So first open a blank, give it a name maybe. This is not important. Okay, and then this is the important part. Okay, so first you can so in a normal bar chart, there's the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. So you want to put the names here. Maybe the names of the horizontal axis here. So this one maybe it's January. This is February. This is March. And this is April. So we'll do 4 months. So this is for maybe some companies, revenues and income. So maybe you can write $sign and then maybe the amount of money, maybe expense or income you can decide. This is 50. Maybe this is 60. And maybe this is 200, which is impossible a bit. So you have to be aware that it's in this format. So yeah, it should be in this format. You can change this to like this. Yeah, so it will be maybe tidier, not all over the place. So okay, so it should be like this format. So let's try now. Select all of these. Click insert. Click chart. And wait a moment. Okay. So here it should probably pop up the pie chart. Oh no. It will suggest some formats for you. So this is a bar chart. But I want a line graph line chart here. So it will be like that, which is really cool. You can edit the chart, delete the chart, download as a PNG, PDF, or SVG, publish, copy, move to own sheet, and add text. So yeah, you can do that. Now let's do an experiment. Let's try maybe reversing the name with the month and the money. So this is 100. Oh yeah, I forgot. So you can also see if you change this the money, it will automatically change this one too. So let's delete this first because it might be a bit complicated if I leave it. Okay, so March. So just wait a moment. 60. This one is 200. This is a Pro. So let's try if this can work. So same as last time, select it, select all of it, click chart, and it will pop up. I'll choose line chart. So it still works, it's the same. So yeah, you can either do this or the reverse, the original one. So on the right side, you can edit the chart, maybe the data range, and yeah. So yeah, basically that's it. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll be making more Google Sheet videos in the future. So stay tuned. Bye bye.